Rich's Street Demon catback exhaust on this 2018 Tacoma V6. Aluminized material is shown, but stainless steel is also available. Dozens of tips in stock for you to choose from. Moderate to heavy interior tone level with the Street Demon catback exhaust. Pick the sound and tips you want before you buy at Rich's. With all major brands in stock, we have you covered. To further optimize your vehicle's performance, we carry K&N, AFE, and Air Raid. Please subscribe, like, and comment below. See it and hear it at richsperformanceexhaust.com.